Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you have clicked the bell symbol so that you will get notification whenever we upload our new videos.
Hello friends, today's topic is career opportunities in the field of biotechnology. I am Mohan Kumar. I am a soft skills trainer. I am a corporate trainer, career counseling expert and a psychologist. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is an interdisciplinary subject which combines biology with technology for the purpose of using living organisms or manipulating living organisms to produce products in the field of food, agriculture, medicine, healthcare and environmental control. Qualities required to be successful in the field of biotechnology. A person who is interested in the field of biotechnology, he or she should have the following qualities to be successful in this field. 1. Communication. 2. Patience. 3. Perseverance. 4. Imagination. 5. Teamwork. 6. Ability to work for long hours. So these are the qualities which may help a biotechnologist to be successful in his field. Either he is pursuing his dreams through an employment or to pursue his biotechnology related dreams through an entrepreneurial effort. Courses in the field of biotechnology. The following are the various courses available in the field of biotechnology. There are BSc Biotechnology programs available, BSc Microbiology programs are available, BE or BTech Biotechnology programs, then MS by Research Biotechnology, then MSc Biotechnology, MSc Microbiology. So these are some of the courses, and then we can also do PhD in the field of biotechnology. Especially in the field of biotechnology, there is a huge demand for research oriented professionals. And those who have completed their PhD in industrial biotechnology or microbiology will have more demand in the field of biotechnology. Salary prospects for biotechnologists. The salary prospects of biotechnologists at Indian level or national level may vary from rupees 10,000 to rupees 1 lakh. At international level, even up to 5 lakh rupees a biotechnologist may earn. So the earnings capacity or the salary capacity of a biotechnologist is always based on his passion, his interest, his or her potential. So if he or she is potential, he can earn higher level of salary for his job after his biotechnology education. Top companies recruiting biotechnologists. Biotechnologists may be recruited by the following major companies: Biocon, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Ranbaxy, HLL. So in such other biotechnology related companies, there is a huge demand for biotechnologists at the national level as well as at the international level. So those who are doing their biotechnology, they have huge employment opportunities throughout the world. And there is one addition to this point. See, the biotechnology field has also huge number of entrepreneurial opportunities. So those who do their biotechnology, BTech or BSc computer science, they can start their own small level of entrepreneurial attempts. Biotechnology job positions. Biotechnology field has the following kinds of job positions: clinical research, forensic research, forensic DNA analyst, biotechnology research and development, biotechnology manufacturing, biotechnology marketing. So these are the major kind of job avenues available for biotechnologists. Friends, to be successful in the field of biotechnology, I strongly suggest you to choose institutions like Indian Institute of Technology or National Institute of Technology or various central universities or various state level universities. And friends, There is one topmost institution which is highly specialized in the field of biotechnology, that is Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Biotechnology, Trivandrum. You can choose that institution for pursuing your aspiration in the field of biotechnology. And apart from these institutions, there are number of arts and science colleges which are offering BSc Biotechnology or BSc Microbiology or BSc Bioinformatics. So you can choose any of these institutions to pursue your dreams in the field of biotechnology. Friends, if you have a real passion towards biotechnology, choose biotechnology as your field of study, and there is wide scope for the biotechnologists to be successful either in the field of job or in the field of entrepreneurship. I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get number of useful videos in future. Thank you.